Today we're going to be talking about stoves. We all know it's very frustrating when you're trying to cook a home meal or cooking for your relatives and the stove's not working. We're going to look at different things like burners, igniters, and actually bake element on this unit here today. One common problem that you'll see with your stove is that your burner may not be functioning. You turn it on for gas and you have nothing. One easy fix for that is actually taking off your cover here. We're going to take off the igniter cap and we're going to check the actual igniter. Sometimes what happens is grease, debris from cooking will get on that, and we just need to grab a piece of paper towel, wipe this clean, put all your items back together, and we can actually fire it up just like this, and we have a flame again. So today we're also going to talk about ovens. What we're going to look at today is the baking element. You have actually a broiler up on top that's just for broiling food, roasts, things like that. On the bottom you'll actually have underneath this is your actual heating element. Heating elements in particular are just a metal rod. Preheating your oven will get that heated up. With that said, if the heating element is not working properly, whether it's broken, a wire is disconnected, what have you, those types of things would require an actual technician to come out and look at it. It is technically a safety hazard as well going into that if the heating element's either having issues, whether it's heating too much or not enough, that's an electrical hazard. So we want to definitely make sure that that gets taken care of. So one other thing to consider on your oven is the actual door lock mechanism. Sometimes what will happen is that door lock can get jammed or may just lock out whenever you're doing a cleaning cycle. That's the most common issue that we see is customers will run the cleaning cycle, door lock won't unlock. With that said, again, you're gonna want a professional to come out and take a look. It's very, very tedious work to get in there and try to get that unlocked. And we have to take, the entire machine apart to actually replace that lock mechanism. Another thing that you'll look at that's a common issue is our fan in the back that actually circulates everything. Those things also it may not be working or maybe getting caught up in like a wire or something like that. That can cause issues. Coming down here, actually looking at the machine, you'll see straight back in the back here, that's where our fan is. To actually get to that, you'll have to pull the unit out and take it apart. With that said, it's most beneficial to have a technician come out and do a diagnosis and give you the proper pricing.